Closing a Questrade account involves several steps to ensure all your assets are properly managed and your account is deactivated smoothly. Here's how to close your Questrade account. Log into your Questrade account. Visit Questrade's website or open the Questrade mobile app and log in using your credentials. Review your account. Before closing, ensure all positions are liquidated and your account balance is zero. Transfer any remaining funds to another account or withdraw them. Transfer assets. If you have securities such as stocks or ETFs, decide whether to transfer them to another brokerage or sell them off. Use the transfer account feature to move your assets if necessary. Contact Questrade support. Navigate to the help or support section on Questrade's website. Contact customer service through chat, email or phone to request account closure. Submit closure request. Provide any required documentation and confirm your request for account closure. Ensure you follow any specific instructions provided by Questrade. Confirm closure. After submitting your request, monitor your email or Questrade messages for confirmation that your account has been closed. Check for any final account statements or notices. Verify no outstanding issues. Ensure there are no outstanding issues or fees before finalizing the closure.